Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate 123FormBuilder with Zoho CRM using 123FormBuilder's Zapier full experience. This setup is perfect if you want to capture leads through your forms and send them directly into Zoho CRM without any manual data entry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully automated workflow that keeps your leads organized and ready for follow-up. First, log into your 123FormBuilder account and create a form that will collect the information you need. For this demo, I've built a simple lead generation form with fields like name, email, phone, and company. Once your form is ready, make a quick test submission. This will help later when we test the integration. Next, go to Setup, then Integrations, and click on Use Zapier. After logging into Zapier, search for Zoho CRM. Here, you can either create your own workflow from scratch or choose from the available popular workflows. In this case, I'll select Create or Update Zoho CRM module entries with new submissions from 123FormBuilder. This is the Trigger app setup, so we just click Continue. Then we select the form we want to integrate and use the test submission from earlier to make sure Zapier pulls in the sample data correctly. Next, we move to the Action app setup. Here, I'll connect my Zoho CRM account and then start mapping the form fields to the corresponding fields in Zoho. Now we start mapping the fields: company, first name, last name, email, phone number, description, and so on. Once everything is matched correctly, we click Continue and then run a test. Zoho will receive the submission right away, so we can confirm the integration is working. We've switched over to Zoho, and you can see the new lead has been created. The integration works perfectly. Now we can go back and publish the Zap. And that's it. You've set up 123FormBuilder in Zoho CRM with Zapier using just a few clicks. Now every lead flows directly into your CRM in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching.